It is Cyberlink's pleasure to optimize our video editing software, PowerDirector for Intel Core i7 processor and Intel hyper-threading technology. With high definition going mainstream, PowerDirector takes advantage of hyper-threading technology from Intel Core i7 to deliver faster results. Our lab test shows an amazing performance gain of 112% in rendering HD video. Now, PowerDirector users don't have to spend long hours waiting for video rendering, so they can save their time to create and share their HD personal videos.
Core i7 is going to revolutionize the way in which videographers work. More recently, I've been working with Intel specifically on doing e-seminars, and also I was presenting at SIGGRAPH showing how your multi-core technology.
We find that the customers for Creative Suite demand a lot out of their tools. They don't want tools that interrupt their creative workflow.
Working with Intel has given us some clear advantages. With the evolution of our video and audio applications, it's clear to see that the Adobe engineers and the Intel engineers have come together for an incredible CS4 release.
So if you apply a filter inside Photoshop, After Effects or Premiere, you don't have to wait for the long lunch plugin to crawl along and go, okay, well 10 minutes later that wasn't what I was expecting. It'll be virtually instantaneous. I can actually exchange data without having to think about it. The applications are doing the work for me.
With the Core i7, 4 cores and 8 threads simply means that the desktop user can spend less time rendering and exporting and more time doing what they do best, and that's creating.
Adobe's tools plus Intel's Core i7, our users will benefit most from the faster aspect.
Core i7, for me, is just such a great evolution of the way the technology goes. To have 4 cores and 8 threads running on something will be absolutely fantastic. So the thing is power users will be getting things quicker and more efficiently with Core i7. The lower end users will actually want to try things out more, and they'll get more of a visual quick response and get less frustrated with it and go, okay then, this really was a good choice of applications to you, and I'm really pleased that I bought an Intel system with Core i7 technology.
You know, there's a real digital lens explosion these days, and all consumers are actually capturing media in its digital form. More and more, this digital content is turning into high resolution.
Core i7 helps us do HD editing very well compared to others. We were trailing our competitors in terms of our H264 encoding, and now we are leading them.
Yeah, the performance of Studio 12 on the Core i7 platform was really a wow experience. So the export performance was twice as fast as on a previous version.
It's now becoming possible for mainstream consumers to use configurations based, for instance, on the Core i7 that are really going to decouple their power and really get them to focus on their creative thinking as opposed to having to wait for the tasks to be over.
We need to have, say, 4 windows flying around the screen, which are all high-def scaled windows with maybe an effect on them. So to do that in a rendered environment is a long, laborious task. With the Core i7, these guys can do this stuff just so fast.
The recent launch of Corel Video Studio Pro X2, together with the Intel Core i7 processor, is a perfect match of two state-of-the-art technologies that clearly benefit from each other. Our close collaboration delivers a solution that maximizes the experience for the end user. It's a natural choice for multimedia enthusiasts. It's Intel's highest performing desktop processors. It offers breakaway performance for digital media creation. Incredible 4-core S-threaded performance to handle massive throughput. Intel hyper-threading technology, multitasking, more paths for data to flow through each core. Do more with less wait time, for example, smoother video editing performance, real-time preview, significantly faster encoding, image rendering, and audio production. For example, we parallelize the AVC encoder-decoder and generated a stutter-free playback environment that also leaves enough CPU headroom for multitasking or other applications running simultaneously.